But some people who didn't have their health care plans canceled are still getting some serious sticker shock. Fox 42's Laura Berry continues our healthcare team coverage by introducing us to a small business owner in Elkhorn whose personal insurance is going up by 60%. But he says he's glad some of his employees will be getting health insurance for the first time.
20 years ago, Bill Spittler decided the grass was greener as a small business owner. Now he's not so sure.
Even reading some of these plans, I thought I was going to have to use my health insurance right away. I thought my head was going to explode.
Spittler says the mandated changes to individual health plans, something typically bought by the self-employed, are giving him a headache.
It's so dang confusing, and just all the different things that you hear right now, you don't know what to believe.
Spittler says he never expected to pay 60% more for insurance.
That's a ton of money. I mean, that's like a mortgage payment.
And he's not alone in his concern. 3 years ago, employee Jack McCarthy finally got his own health plan.
And I found a plan that I was very comfortable with. I thought, considering the coverage that I had, the price for it was very fair.
But McCarthy says he just found out he lost the plan the president told him he could keep.
He said, if you have one that you like, you can keep it. Well, guess what? I don't get to keep it.
He adds Obama's promise to extend coverage for a year doesn't make him feel any better.
And if I'm not able to get the coverage that I feel I need for myself and for my family, then what's the difference? You know, you can cut it now or you can cut it in a year.
This woman is still covered under her parents' policy. And Spittler says some of these employees will actually be able to afford insurance because of federal subsidies.
I am happy for some of my employees that it does afford them health care.
But for Spittler, the end result is paying more and potentially passing on those costs to the customer.
We're trying to be as competitive as we can, and we try to keep the cost down as low as we can, you know, but as a small business, we do have to make a profit. Otherwise, we're not going to be here.
Spittler adds all the extra paperwork and increased cost from his premiums to his deductible, even his co-insurance, have him considering paying the penalty and taking his chances going uninsured.
Everyone's going to get impacted by this one way or the other.
Laura Berry, Fox 42 News.
So how is